We'll guide you through how to see your drafts on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So perhaps you've been making some different videos or posts and you've been saving them as drafts. Perhaps just so you can go and look at them yourself or because you want to go and post them later. We're going to guide you through how you can find and see them. You can then go and post them, continue editing, or even go and delete them. Make sure this full guide, we're going to explain how this goes and works. Don't go and skip anything as you may go and miss an important note. Come to the bottom of TikTok. Come over to the right and go and find the option for profile and go and tap there. Now, it's important to go and note that drafts only are on the device they were made on. They don't go across your account on the different devices. They're saved sort of locally on the device. If you go and delete the TikTok app, then you are going to go and lose the drafts. In the top left of your feed, and that is where your drafts are going to be. So you can tap here and then go and see them. You can tap on them and you can go and see some different options, and you can select them in the top right by pressing select and go and delete them.